Good day, everyone. In this sharing, we are going to look into enhancing your tax efficiency by leveraging charitable contributions, PRS, and education. It is almost the period where we need to file our income tax. The question that always pops up in our mind is, how could we improve tax efficiency? If you share the same question, stay with me till the end of this session, because what you are able to walk away from this session is to cultivate a habit of generosity by participating in charitable activities with a taxable income reduction as a bonus, comprehend the role of PRS and how tax reduction is calculated. Last but not least, to recognize the benefits of education in achieving tax relief. From these statements, for those of you who have been with me in my previous sharing, do these ring a bell? Anyone? Right. Yes, you guys are smart. Let's do a little recap here. The 6-jar system consists of long-term investment, 10%, financial freedom, 10%, necessities, 50%, education, 10%, play or entertainment, 10%, and the giving jar, 10%. Among the 6 jars here, 3 jars are eligible for tax reduction. As you all can guess, PRS is under the long-term investment, and we have the education as well as the giving jar. Let's start with something magical, the giving jar. Gentlemen, and of course, my lovely ladies, I believe that there is some moment in your life you have helped people in need in the form of donation. How do you feel? Type in the chat. Happy? Okay. Your heart feel light? Great. You are smiling when you are helping others? Wonderful. What you are experiencing is the law of attraction. Do you know that money is like an energy? When you give with an open heart, you create a flow of positive energy circulate back to you, often in unexpected ways. Let's say you sponsor a meal to a child in need, and in return, the universe may return you the favor by opening up more opportunities in your life. There's also this game called the Cash Flow board game created by Robert Kiyosaki, which promotes charity as well. A little background on this game. Each time each player has 1 dice to move. Upon landing on charity, you may choose to give 10% of your total income in exchange to use 1 or 2 dice on your next 3 turns. This is a fun game to play with your friends and see how you can manage your money. The intention of sharing this is to help you to engage in charitable deeds to develop a habit. Please view tax reduction as an incentive or motivation to establish this habit. There's a question here. How much can you claim? Wow, you just read my mind. It is on my next slide. Here. You can claim up to 10% of your total taxable income for donation to approved organizations. For instance, your annual income is 10,000 ringgit, and therefore the maximum you can claim is 1,000. Here, you have 840 ringgit in your tax exemption receipt. What this means is that you can claim all 840 ringgit to enhance your tax efficiency. Did anyone realize that this 10% is actually the same as the 10% allocation for giving in the jar system? Kevin did, Janet did. Awesome! You guys are truly paying attention. Before I head to the next segment, everyone understand so far? Okay, good. Okay, let's continue. In our next segment, we are looking into private retirement scheme. In short, we call it PRS. PRS is similar as EPF and serve as an encouragement to boost retirement savings. The difference is PRS is a voluntary scheme for all individuals who are 18 years old and above, and on top of your capital gain in PRS, this is also eligible for tax reduction. The frequent asked question I receive is, How much capital gain would you get when you invest in PRS? Well, in PRS, there are different categories. Depending on what funds you invest in, your return will be different. For example, the funds I have invested in give me a return of 9.68%. Yours might have a different ROI as mine. From what you have invested, how much could you deduct from your taxable income? Here's a snippet from a PPA website. If your tax bracket is 11%, your 3,000 ringgit contributions for that year will give you a tax savings of 330 ringgit. By the way, who wants a shortcut for this calculation? Kevin said yes. Michael said yes. Nice. I have an audience who appreciate time efficiency as well. I would like to introduce to you to Fundsupermart. In short, FSM. This is a platform where you can buy unit trusts, stocks, ETFs, bonds, locally or globally. Hey Bonnie, what's up?
Sorry to interrupt. If people are interested in signing up for an account in FSM, is there a link they can go to?
Oh, okay, I see. Hang on a minute, let me pull out my affiliate link here. So if anyone is interested on signing up Fundsupermart, you can click on my affiliate link here. Okay, everybody done? Let me do a quick demo on this. Okay, everybody can see my slide? Good. Now let's go to what we offer here. As you can see, the PRS segment, you can invest your retirement with the tax relief benefit here. Once you click inside here, you scroll down. And there you have the PRS tax relief calculator. Say for example, your annual chargeable income is 95,000. So if you contribute 3,000, your tax relief will be 570 ringgit. Now, for those of you who want to buy PRS from Fundsupermart, you can go to this research and tools, go to the fund selector, and then here it's already filtered for all the PRS funds. Asset class here, if you have a desired asset class which you want to look into, you can just click on them. In this example, I'll click it all. Fund managers, I'll just leave it blank here. And if you have a desired geographical sector, for example, if you want to look into Asia emerging markets, you can choose, or you want to choose the China market, the US market, okay, the Singapore market, the US market, you can choose it here. When you save changes, it will automatically filter according to what you want here. You can play around. And for my Muslim friends, you can click Sharia compliant. And then at the bottom here, these are the funds that have been filtered according to what you have selected here. And then if you click it in, you can look at the fund fact sheet. Here's the chart. And then what is the annualized return, the calendar year return, and the cumulative performance here. All right. So that's about it. Let's come back to the slide here. Besides Fundsupermart, there are two other alternatives which I know of to buy PRS. The first one is none other than the popular Touch and Go. Go to Go Finance and click on Open. And then you click on this button here. And you will see three categories: the save, the invest, and the retire. Click on the retire, you will be shown this page. Once you click on explore more here, there are two choices you have. For my Muslim friends, Sharia compliant funds is available to you. Not much of choices, right? Let me introduce to you another app. For any of you who are interested, you can register an account using my affiliate link and get an extra 10 ringgit when you make your first deposit of 100 ringgit in a single transaction into any funds in Bursa. Once you register for an account, log into it, you will see Save, Invest, and Retirement. Select Retirement and you will be brought to the second step, whereby it shows you a promotion that is going on. Click on Prepare Your Retirement Now, and you will be directed to a list of PRS funds that you can choose from. There are year-to-date returns, 1-year return, and the risk level here for your reference. With that, we have completed the PRS segment. How's your energy level, guys? Do I have green light to continue? Yes? Yes? All right, bear with me, guys. It's the last segment here, education. Under education, there are 4 areas eligible to enhance your tax efficiency. The first one, Child Education Insurance Policy. The second one, Scheme Simpanan Pendidikan Nasional, in short, SSPN. Postgraduate education. And lastly, books. For Child Education Insurance Policy, you may consider endowment policy or investment-linked policy. Please engage your respective agent or bank to understand more on this, as different funds offers different benefits to suit your needs. Next up, we have SSPN. You can deposit as low as 20 ringgit and the dividend you receive is tax exempted. For my postgraduate friends who are pursuing their education, remember to include this in your tax filing. For my book lovers who love to buy books or subscribe to any magazine or newspapers, this is yours to grab. Remember to keep the receipt of your purchase for future reference. That's all, folks. Let's have a Q&A session. What do we have here, Bonnie, my dear?
I have contributed to my PRS in the previous years, but last year my budget is a bit tight and I did not contribute to my PRS. Overall, my PRS account is still above 3,000 ringgit. Am I still available for tax relief?
No, my friend. You are only eligible when you top up the amount in your PRS account.
If I invest less than 3,000 ringgit last year, am I still eligible for tax reduction?
Yes, you are.
How do I search for the best PRS funds?
I'm not sure what is your criteria on the best PRS fund. What I'm understanding from this is that you are searching for the past performance for PRS fund. Let me show you. First, you need to go to the website here. Once you come to the PPA website here, scroll down and you will see this one here, Quick View PRS Fund Performance. Click on View Now. And here you can see the top 8 funds in the 5-year annualized return and the top performing fund by provider in 1-year return. If you want to see the complete view of PRS, you can click on here. As you can see, all the PRS funds will be listed here. If you want to check on their fees here, click on this one. And there, you can see what are the PRS funds, what are their category, if there are any sales charge and management fee here. Does that answer your question? All right, good.
Do you recommend I invest in PRS if I have a tight budget?
PRS is totally optional. If you are in a tight budget and does not have extra to invest in PRS, opt out for the moment. Keep yourself mentally healthy and don't give yourself more stress on top of that. I guess that is all of it. Anything did I miss, Bonnie? Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Bonnie.
If you think this video is beneficial to you, click the like button and share it with your friends and family. I thank you in advance for sharing this video for someone who needs it. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now!